Daddy, come here. Wait. Jump, bro. Jump. I want you to.
You give me feelings I ain't never felt before. I love you.
I'm Heartbreak Keylow.
And I'm Janice Benji.
We the Heartbreaks.
Oh yeah, we the Heartbreaks. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Janice Benji. Make sure y'all turn the post notifications on, like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all drop THB gang, Team Heartbreak Keylow, Team Janice in the comments. Spam to enter into the Cash App giveaway of $500. We will also be giving away a PS5, so don't miss out. Okay, y'all. So today I'm finna get a little ratchet up in here. You feel me? Like I'm finna put on my little. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna see how Keylow reacts, because he ain't never seen that side of me. And honestly, I'm ready to see how he gonna act, how he gonna take it, how it's gonna be. So let's get into it. Boy, I'm not a lame. I'm not your main thing. I don't wanna be a man. Boy, it's the city girls, and you know what I bet. Well, get out my face before I touch you. Don't you know? Can't you understand? If you with me, I take your bean. What? I take your bean. Oh, yeah. What's up, little Zeddy? What you got popping for me today?
Why are you being so loud?
I ain't being loud. Why you being so quiet?
Why you
Where your microphone at, boo?
Did you eat or drink something? Did something get into your...
No, this is me. You know me. You know this. Come pop a squat, Lil Diddy. Lil Diddy, come pop a squat.
Stop.
What you mean stop playing? Like, boy, don't get me turned up in here. Don't get me turned, because I really set you out in them up. Like Queen Latifah said, don't do me.
What you got going on?
You know what, Lil Zeddy, I just can't feel nothing right now. Like, I just want to turn up. Like, I just want to get lit with my girls.
What you got going on?
I'm chilling. What you got going on?
Why are you talking like this?
What you got going on?
Why are you talking like this?
What you got going on, though, Daddy? You better put some respect on my name. Stop playing on my top, Lil Daddy. Stop playing on me.
You being annoying.
I'm a bad. I ain't annoying.
Right.
I eat my rice and cabbage and stuff. He wanna grab it.
Hell, man.
Hell yeah, Daddy. You know you like that shit. Yeah. You see that?
That ain't it, man.
You know you want a piece of this cupcake, this watermelon.
What?
This ice cream cone, baby. I'm everything.
Nah, I'm finna go in the room.
Where you going? Like, what are you doing? Come here, Daddy. Come here, Daddy. Come here. Wait. I'm too loud. What is he? I'll be quiet for you, Z. I'll be quiet for you, Z. I got over it.
Oh, what is wrong with you? You doing too much.
I ain't doing enough.
Man.
So what's up, Papa Squad? You need to relax, take a chill pill, because I don't have time for you today. We can watch some Netflix and chill a day. So how was your day?
You're smacking all that damn gum in my ear.
How was your day?
What the hell wrong? What's wrong with your day?
Damn, like, what's your beef? Like, what's up? Like, what's your beef? Because you act like you got a problem with me or something. Like, you said you love me. Like, you better love me through everything. I'm king, baby. I'm king. Like, you my motherfucking watermelon butterscotch.
Stop playing. Why you want to play?
I ain't playing, baby. This what you signed up for. This what you signed up for, though. And you know this. And you know this. I don't know why you acting brand new, because this is your boo, okay? What car is that?
Why your hands smell like that?
I ain't ready for that. Baby, I smell good.
Your hands smell like bacon.
Don't do me.
Damn,
Don't do me, because you really be player hating. So you trying to play with me in front of my day, okay? Stop playing with me. Stop. Jump, bro. Jump. I want you to. Jump. I'll call my brother. But stop playing with me. You playing with me, baby? You playing with me?
You weird, bro.
I'm not being weird. You over here texting this girl in my face like, what's up? Like, what's your beef? Like, why you disrespecting me like that? I trip a little bit, but baby, I'm still here. It's just you disrespecting me. Like, I don't disrespect you.
I ain't gonna deal with this.
Wait.
You're being annoying.
How?
You're being annoying and obnoxious.
How am I being annoying and obnoxious?
Why you acting
What's
like that?
annoying? What's obnoxious?
Janice?
I want to know what it is.
Benji?
Oh, so you disrespecting me now? Like, damn, little Zeddy, I thought we was better than that. I thought we was like power couple.
Can you stop?
What do you mean? Can I stop?
Why can't I just chill without you just playing with me, messing with me?
I'm not playing with your style, boy. You funny. Like, come on. I'm not understanding, like, what you tripping for? Like, what you tripping for? Man, you got me hella dry right now. Like, I'm finna call my girls. Because
you being annoying. I'm trying to chill. Let me just chill in some peace. Like, I just want to chill in some peace, please.
I am your peace.
Man.
Piece of this cake you want some?
Oh my God.
Hey. Damn, Zeddy, chill.
Say it
Smile.
again. Say it again. Ew, you nasty. Oh my God.
Shit, what it is?
You fucking.
Why you gonna lean over and fart?
You
trying to play
nasty.
with me?
Oh
Boy,
my
I'm not gonna play
God.
with you. I am not nasty. I
Did
am
you just
nasty.
fart?
I am not
You
nasty.
just farted.
You know
I'm
what?
really going to the room
You
now. I'm
You
going.
got me so messed up.
Oh,
You not gonna fart and act like it's me. You not gonna fart and act like it's me. Oh, you here for sound? You here for sound? Honest,
can't
bring
believe
that ass here,
You
boy.
farted.
I did not fart. I did not fart.
What was that?
That was your booty hole
No.
screaming for good Lord.
I asked you to shake it for me, then you farted. Where did you go?
You nasty motherfucker. You stinky shitty booty bitch. Baby, I was. Okay, I'm done. I was just playing, but you over here farting trying to blame it on me. That's it, baby.
Yeah.
I'm done. You win.
Yeah.
You win.
You capping.
So you want me to jump back in some?
You farted.
I did not fart. You farted.
Why you trying to annoy me?
I'm not trying to annoy
Why you always
you.
messing with me? I chilled out and now you doing all this.
Because
And then you smelling it. Why you go?
Because
Why? You nasty.
I'm not trying to smell a fart.
Well,
I'm
why did
really
you fart?
laughing.
You farted.
I'm really laughing though. That's
You
too
tooted
serious
your
fart.
butt out and farted.
I did not toot. You rolled over and it fell out your. That's what happened.
You nasty,
It
bro.
fell out your booty, your high booty. You nasty. You stinky.
You give me feelings I ain't never felt before.